5G tower. They're everywhere. It's a good chicken sandwich. It's delicious. Look at that. Fries, ketchup, bliss. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. If you're looking for the security light in the vehicle will be flashing right here. And it lets you know that the security system in your vehicular transportation is working. And usually to get it to activate, you just lock your doors, or you just close it up, and the computers, there's various computers in the car. There are computer modules, they're within the dash somewhere. They're everywhere. There's a whole bunch of them. But there's a security one, and the car has a car alarm, which is I guess it can be useful. They're probably useful in 0.005% of the time you're driving, but it's more of a nuisance. But so that light, my vehicle's in park right now. It's off, and the light's flashing. And once you start your car up and start driving, it'll go away, stop flashing, I believe. So that's where your security light is. And let me try to get some more info on it for you. Okay, the theft deterrent system, engine immobilizer system. The vehicle's keys have built-in transponder chips that prevent the engine from starting if the key has not been previously registered in the vehicle's onboard computer. Never leave the keys inside the vehicle when you leave the vehicle. Vehicles without smart key system, the indicator light flashes after the key has been removed from the engine switch to indicate that the system is operating. The indicator light stops flashing after the registered key has been inserted into the engine switch to indicate that the system has been canceled. Vehicles with smart key system, the indicator light flashes after the engine start-stop switch has been turned off to indicate that the system is operating. The indicator light stops flashing after the engine start-stop switch has been turned to accessory or ignition on mode to indicate that the system has been canceled. Alright, the vehicle has a maintenance-free type engine immobilizer system. Ooh, maintenance-free, how about that? Conditions that may cause the system to malfunction. If the key is in contact with metallic object, if the key is in close proximity to or touching a key to the security system, key with a built-in transponder chip of another vehicle, certifications for the engine immobilizer system. For vehicles sold in the USA, vehicles without smart key system, vehicles with smart key system, FCC compliance, blah, blah, blah. And then to ensure the system operates correctly, do not modify or remove the system. If modified or removed, the proper operation of the system cannot be guaranteed. So that's all about the security system. Have a great day. All right. Doing a video. We did a video. I'm just showing you the sky. I'm going to show off my dress wear. I'm dressed up. All right. It's a Toyota RAV4, and this is my video. Okay, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. Drive along, talk along, whatever you want to call it. Just driving, looking at my rear, and my phone just fell. But driving along here. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video, and this is a drive along. I got my phone in the side of the door, like right here. If you can see that, it's in the door on the passenger side, which has no relevance to your viewing this, but as you know, towards the a little after the beginning to the middle to the end of my videos, it's a hodgepodge of content. You don't know what it's going to be. It could either be just me BSing and just talking, or it could be something useful. It could be a how-to, or something you've never seen before. But anyway, so we're driving right now and we're talking, and so I did the security. It had a fancy name to it, engine immobilizer, but so you can take a right on red. This is not a right on red, but you can do right on red. You ever hear that, right on red? It's pretty cool. Sometimes you can do a left if it's a one-way street. A one-way street, you can actually go left on red, on the red light. Unbelievable, you can do that. If you're driving onto a one-lane road, let me put my windows up. If you're driving onto a one-lane road where you can only go one way, you can't go the other. If you're taking a left onto it, you can take a left on the red light. Unbelievable. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk that you can go left on a red light? But there are exceptions to the rule. As always, exceptions to the rule. Besides Eve eating the apple, I mean that's a pretty. I don't know how much of an exception to the rule you can have with Eve eating the apple from the tree of knowledge. But hey, once you have that hunger for knowledge, or the thirst, once you have that thirst for knowledge, and you seek YouTube, you get on YouTube, and you get that hunger. You always want something new. Always wanting something new. You want that new experience. You want to go out there and get it. You don't want nothing old. You can have old, tried and trusted and true, but you want something new. You want to go out there and you want to get it. You want to get that new, whatever it may be. Job, relationship, entertainment, a new experience, whatever, a new sensation, a new face. A new face, as they say in that industry. They always want new faces. But a good time if you wanna, if you're feeling blue, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you can watch a comedy hour and laugh. If you laugh, you can try to fake laugh, and it'll make you feel better. Ha 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 ha, like that. It might make you feel better. They actually have I think it's an Asian thing, a Japanese or whatever. They have it's not an exercise class. It's where you laugh. You just go ah, ha, 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 ha. Everybody starts laughing, and it's like therapy. It's a form of therapy. So it's really windy and it's sunny and it's hot, and we're dressed up today because we want new experiences. The only way to explore is to have interviews at various places to see new people, old people, the same people, new facilities. You just get your certifications, and you go out there, you apply, you fail some more, succeed, and then fail, and you just get out there. The only way to get some is to get out there. You can get anything. If you want a chicken sandwich, a cheeseburger, you want to get LAID, you got to get out there, man. You got to get out there, out and about. It's competition, too much competition. 7.8 billion other people, and half of them are able-bodied, able to out-compete you. They can out-compete you in whatever it may be. A lot of them already know you can go left on red on a one-way. I'm going right now. I got a car behind me. Hopefully they slow all the way down. I mean, they can ram me, and then I can, get some money out of that, but it didn't happen. See? That's a multiverse type thing. That's something that could have happened in a different universe, like a parallel universe or whatever. That could have been a different timeline. That timeline could have happened, and like a butterfly effect, the results could have been a whole lot different. But you wake up, you open your eyes, and you're just alive. It's like you invent reality. It's there, or it's already there. You don't know. It's there already, and you got to experience it. And maybe today you might be good, you might be bad, you might do all kind of stuff. But there's a whole bunch of other people doing all kind of stuff too. So it's a lot of variables. The life forms, any life, it's variable. Everybody's a dog eat dog, cat eat cat. whatever goes. You got rules, laws, all kind of stuff. And so you just kind of, you out there, you take a left on red on a one-way, and you're good. I mean, as long as there's no traffic, you're good. You have security lights on your car that are practically useless, because it's best to keep your car unlocked, because people just break your windows and try to take stuff. If there's anything in your car, if they don't leave anything in your car, if they try to take your car, then you report it, and you hopefully the right people will find your car and you get it back and nothing happens, and then the insurance or whatever can take care of it if they will. You might be out of luck. But so this is my ride along, talk along. This is Matthumanpizza. I talk, and I disagree with a lot of people on a lot of different issues. I'm not all gloom and doom about unemployment and just the happenings of the world. I tend to want to play the other side and try to, argue or debate, but I don't agree with pessimism in context of current events or in issues. Things are, in human history, things are the best right now. You might be a poor, sad soul in a poor, sad situation. It's an awful situation. You might be like something horrible happening. Sure, those things happen. But overall, things in human history in 2020, crime is at an all-time low. Everything is at an all-time low. And you have a lot of things that are a whole lot better. The your quality of life, GDPs, it's all up across the board. You might have events happen, viruses or whatever it happen, but this happen all the time, and they're happening all the time anyway. Bacteria and viruses are flying around and just causing sickness. People are sick with the flu or anything at any given moment. You have bacteria and viruses in your body already. They're everywhere. It's everywhere. Anyway, so left on red on a one-way. Have a great day.